Do you ever freeze when someone says, "Tell me about your family"?
Oh, that happens to so many people.
You know your family so well.
But English suddenly feels hard.
Today, we'll fix that.
Simple sentences, real conversations, and a little storytelling too.
Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jay.
Today we're talking about family.
A topic we all know, but sometimes struggle to say in English.
Exactly. We'll keep it simple and natural.
Let's start.
Jay, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a small family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Nice. That sounds like a close family.
Yes, we spend a lot of time together.
I like that.
So do I.
Tell me about your parents.
My father is a teacher. He is kind and patient.
He sounds like a calm person.
He is. My mother stays at home and takes care of everything.
Who usually cooks?
Usually my mother.
And your father?
On Sundays, my father cooks breakfast.
Oh, really? What does he make?
Usually eggs, toast, and a hot cup of tea.
That sounds nice.
It is, but he always makes too much food.
Too much food?
Yes. We finish breakfast, and then somehow he still has more on the plate.
Haha, that's a very good problem to have.
Exactly. We always laugh at the table.
Tell me a funny family story.
One Sunday, my father made pancakes for everyone.
How many pancakes are we talking about?
So many that I couldn't count them.
And what did your sister say?
She looked at the table and said, "Dad, are you feeding the whole street?"
Haha, that's brilliant.
My father just laughed, poured more tea, and made even more pancakes.
I love that. That sounds like a real family moment.
Yes. We still talk about it whenever we have breakfast together.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Are you close?
Very close.
Who are you closest to?
Probably my sister. When I have a problem, she's the first person I call.
That's a beautiful answer.
She listens to me, gives advice, and makes me laugh.
Sounds like a real best friend.
She really is.
What do you do on weekends?
We usually have movie night.
Movie night? I like that.
Yes. We order snacks, choose a film, and sit together on the sofa.
That sounds cozy.
It is. Sometimes we argue a little about which movie to watch.
Of course you do.
But in the end, my sister usually wins.
Haha, that's fair.
We also go out for lunch sometimes.
Do you visit anyone?
Yes, we visit our grandparents on some weekends.
That's lovely.
It is. Those weekends always feel special.
Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, almost every night.
What do you talk about?
School, work, funny moments, and our plans for tomorrow.
Random little things are the best conversations.
Exactly. My father usually talks the most.
And you?
I listen, eat, and laugh at the right moments.
That's a great skill.
Family dinner is my favorite time of the day.
Why?
Because everyone is together. No phones, no rush. Just talking.
That feels very warm.
It really does.
What's your favorite family memory?
My last birthday.
What made it special?
I came home, and my family surprised me with a cake on the table.
Ah, that's sweet.
My mother made my favorite food, and my sister decorated the room with balloons.
That must have felt amazing.
It did. I was smiling the whole evening.
I can imagine.
Yes, I felt really loved that day.
That's a memory you'll always remember.
Definitely.
What about your grandparents?
They're very important to me.
Do you visit them?
Yes, usually on weekends or holidays.
What do you do there?
We drink tea, talk, and spend time together.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. My grandfather tells old stories.
Like what?
Stories about when he was young. He always tells them with a smile.
I like that kind of story.
Me too. And my grandmother always asks if I'm eating well.
Grandmothers always do that.
Yes, and somehow I always end up eating more.
Now it's your turn.
Let's practice together.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Nice. Now make it personal.
There are 4 people in my family, and we are very close.
Great. Who are you closest to?
I'm closest to my sister because she always listens to me.
Excellent. What do you do on weekends?
We usually watch movies and visit our grandparents.
Very good. And your favorite family memory?
My last birthday was very special because my family surprised me with a cake, my favorite food, and beautiful decorations.
Beautiful. That sounds natural and warm.
Thanks. That feels much easier now. Let's review the key sentences.
I have a small family.
There are 4 people in my family.
My father is a teacher.
On Sundays, my father cooks breakfast.
I'm closest to my sister.
We watch movies on weekends.
We eat dinner together almost every night.
My family surprised me with a cake on my birthday.
My grandparents are very important to me.
My family is very important to me.
Perfect. These are simple, natural answers you can use in real conversations.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope talking about your family feels a little easier now.
You don't need perfect English.
Just keep speaking.
Write 1 sentence about your family in the comments.
We'd love to read it.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.